Welcome to the Glow project. You are essentially picking certain items or areas of your artwork to have a glowing effect, and it creates a really cool end product. I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so here I'm going to start with the pen tool, and I'm going to create a path or a shape depending on what it is you want to make, and use the color that you want for that path or that shape. I'm going to use a kind of neon pink to outline the zipper, and once I get it how I want it, then I will make it glow. The key here, and always will be, to add or to do this on a new layer. You don't want to do this straight on your background layer, and I think I started off the wrong way on my example here and then had to go back and redo it on a new layer, because we're going to make just that layer glow, just that object. Once you get your object or whatever it is you want to glow finished, you're going to make sure you're on that layer and then click the FX button. That's essentially effects, and you're going to select the inner glow or outer glow. It doesn't matter which, because you're going to do both. And you'll see here that you can change the color of your glow. You can change the radius, how far the glow extends. You can change the opacity, all the same things you can typically do with your brushes and things like that to make the glow look just how you want it. So you'll see here I'll do several different examples of things. You can do the pen tool, you can use the brush tool and make it glow, you can use text, which I'll do in a little bit here. The V is the brush tool, and then I'll do the rest of the word with the text on a different layer. You can do shapes, and you can do everything in different colors, have different color glows. Again, it's basically just the limit of your imagination. Here we are going to come in and add the lighting that would be kind of reflecting off the jacket and the face. Anytime you have something glowing, you want that light to be basically shining on the stuff around it, because realistically, if we did have like a glow stick, we're going to see that light reflecting off of your hand or your face, whatever it's near to. So I'm taking the brush tool, and it's got soft edges and a lower opacity, and I'm just kind of brushing where I think the glow would hit. And then what we're going to do, again, all that's done on a new layer, is we're going to take that layer and change it to an overlay or soft light. That's again overlay or soft light. Right here I did soft light, later on I'll do overlay, and that really gets a nice effect of looking like the light is literally sitting on the jacket. I went ahead and brought in a clip of the future one where I added a little more of that highlight there reflecting, so you can see what it looks like with overlay as well. And then at this point I'll go ahead and start from scratch and work on my project. If you want to watch, you can watch and see how I did things. If not, you can start on your project. Later on I will add some clouds and a kind of light effect on my background to make just the light stretch out a little bit further. Good luck! In my pictures, I already have lights in the background, so I went to filter, then render, and then lighting effects, and just played with some of the settings there to make that kind of brighter glow of the lights. And then I came in and added some coloring to match my foreground with the pink and blue. And then to add the clouds, what you're going to do is again click filter, create a new layer. Make sure you have black as your foremost color option, and then you're going to again go to filter, render, and clouds. And that will create your cloud effect here. You can change the sizing to make the clouds look more like fog, which is what I wanted, a kind of foggy look. And then you can erase back what you want to keep or get rid of. Sorry, I said that backwards. You can erase out what you want to get rid of. If you know how to work with clipping masks, that's kind of what I did here to make sure I could bring back whatever it is I wanted to with the clouds.